Happy e-learning day. It's Gerald Elephant to read you a great Elephant and Piggie story. Pigs make me sneeze. I know you've been talking about fiction and nonfiction books in library class. This is a make-believe story by the author Mo Willems. And the animals in the book, Piggie and I, do a lot of talking. So this is a fiction book for sure. Let's get started. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want, yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Achoo! I always make poor Piggie go flying. Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if? What if? What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But, Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Ah, 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 ah. Choo. Goodbye. Gerald! Ah, it's Dr. Cat. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze! these pages are stuck together. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick? Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy! Piggy! Great news! I have a cold! Good for you. Sniff. Oh no. Looks like the pigeon has a cold too. We'll have a lot of fun in the snow today. See you later. Bye.